this covered outdoor kitchen and dining space is built for convenience. A built-in grill with a dedicated fuel line is paired with stainless steel cabinetry and a full ventilation hood. The dining area sits just beside, sheltered by a continuation of the home's barrel-vaulted ceiling. Open to the outdoors yet directly connected to the home's service areas, this space is designed for effortless entertaining. At the back of the home, the exterior detailing carries through the same design language seen inside. Arches outside echo arches within, while stone is used in rugged, generous measure, its tones tying into the surrounding hardscaping. Wavy edge cedar accents break into the stone for contrast. The great room's feature wall rises here as well, its glazing reflecting the sky and flanked by turrets on either side. Instead of a flat wall, the surface is stepped forward in places, creating a pilaster effect for depth and dimension. Beneath the arches, the bar extends to a covered hangout with a gas fire pit fueled by propane for instant light and warmth. Siltstone accents appear below windows and at transitions from stone to timber, subtle details that add richness. Given the height of the structure, exterior lighting is handled with wall sconces placed within reach, avoiding the need for high soffit fixtures. The front approach is grand. The turret shows off with pilaster accents and even a decorative timber projecting for extra detail, purely aesthetic, set against many genuine structural expressions throughout. Stacked flat dormers deliver bold contrast to the eyebrow roofs over the garage and at the turret's crown. Vertical board and batten plays against horizontal wavy edge cedar. A substantial band board spans the facade and repeats inside, reinforcing a sense of structure and integrity from exterior to interior. Even the roof earns attention, a distinctive pattern of extra-thick shingles that cast deep shadow lines. Center stage is the covered porch with double entry doors, 8.5 feet wide, beneath a vestibule framed by timber rafters.